My name is Vinay. I am the Managing Director of Inventya Limited. Inventya was co-founded in 2010 by Aldo and Valerie Delionibus with the main ethos and the values that how we can support some of the most amazing innovators in this country, how we can help them to take their amazing ideas to the market, scale nationally and internationally. We become their innovation and growth partner, helping them to navigate some of the red tape and also making an impact and taking them to the next level. Currently, we are over 90 people in the business. We have very carefully curated services. Inventya provide a lot of support around grants. We also help companies to win tenders. We also work with companies who are looking to raise money via investors. Along with that, we provide commercialization support to companies, competitor analysis, what their go-to-market strategy should be. We help them with a lot of advice around intellectual property, R&D, tax credit advice. In 2019, we experienced quite a significant growth. What we realized as a business that in order to sustain that growth, we need to scale our system, our processes, our platforms. It's something we joke internally that at one stage we have more systems and platforms than the Inventya staff member. I think key decision for us to go with Zoho, we wanted one software stack where everything flows quite seamlessly, and that was quite an easy decision, and that's how our journey with Zoho started. One of the biggest change we have seen in the business is the experience we are providing to our staff members. We wanted to give them a really amazing experience, and I think Zoho played a massive role in it. Previous to 2019, the model we were using is people who are traveling for work. We were pretty much using mobile phone, camera, click a picture, send to finance, mention about the project name or the client name. It was sustainable for a time period, but imagine doing that now where we have a number of staff members who are in a client-facing role, constantly traveling, incurring expenses as part of the role. If everyone need to click a picture of a receipt and send it to finance directly, then it will be a chaos, or that's a recipe for disaster. That's where we started to use Zoho Expense, where it's a very simple app where everything is pretty much predefined, and the only thing staff need to do is just to click a picture of the receipt, and it just automatically gets attached against a project name, against a client. That gives an ability to our finance and compliance department to check whether everything is aligned. The monthly reporting we are getting on the back of it in just few clicks, how much we have spent on what elements within the business, for which client, for which funder, for which projects. That's becoming quite streamlined, and that's made a massive difference when it comes to our management accounts each month, various claims for different projects. So that simple use of one app has made a massive difference in terms of time, in terms of the cost, and more importantly in terms of the use of the technology. With Zoho Expense, it brings everyone on the same page in a quite an intuitive manner.